What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in today's video we'll be talking about the upcoming Poco M5 5G smartphone, and it has been certified by NBTC ahead of its launch. Let's find out what is being confirmed about this smartphone and what you can expect from this smartphone in this video. So if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. So the very first thing which we know about this smartphone is that its software. It will be coming with the MIUI 13, which is based on Android 12, and you can expect around 1 or 2 major Android updates in this smartphone. Apart from that, talking about its processor, then it will be coming with the Snapdragon 720G chipset, and for the display side it will be coming with a 6.67 inch of a wide IPS LCD panel with a 120Hz or the 90Hz of high refresh rate. While the front camera will be in a form of a teardrop notch, and it will be a 16 megapixel selfie shooter. Now the base RAM of this phone will be of 6GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage variant will be present in the smartphone. On the battery capacity and the charging speeds, then it will be coming with a 5000 mAh battery with a 33 watts of fast charging. Furthermore, you can expect this smartphone to be launching in India on the Flipkart exclusive, and the starting price of this smartphone is expected to be around 14,500 rupees or 499. Well, the phone is launching on the September 2022, it is the expected, and the base variant will be of 6 plus 128GB. Now the phone will also be available in 2 color options for now, as we know, and it's the black and the gold color options. Well, what do you think about this smartphone? And moreover, the one part we missed is the rear cameras, and it will be coming with a 64 megapixel of a quad camera setup, and we know how the numbers are with this smartphone, so there will be another 8 megapixel of sensor and 2 sensors of depth and macros lens sensors, which we all know what their purpose is. So if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.